Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my video. Today we're going to try to fix something with this Audi, this display panel. It's got some problem. So what happens is I'll try to on it again. So normally randomly, like there you go, it goes on and off. So basically it's because of the soldering at the end of the other end of the controller there. So we will try to fix this one today. There are a few steps. First you have to take the stereo out, then you have to remove this casing there, then we have to disconnect that one. I have already removed the factory stereo. Please check on my video description for the link or to see how to remove the factory stereo. After you do that, you got these two plastic bits, one's here, one's here. Then I don't know whether you can see clearly, there is one screw here, another one here, then similarly another screw. So you have to remove them four. Let us go and remove them four. Alright, we have removed this frame and that frame there. As you can see, there is one screw here, another one here. Alright, so these two, I've got a 8mm socket and we're going to remove them. Then it just comes out like that. Try to use a trimming tool, that way you don't break them on the clips. So there it is. Next we got this. There is a screw here. I think it's a hexa bit. I've got some Allen key here as well, so I'll open up. Alright, I've got number 4 hexa bits and I will now remove them. Now all of this is removed. It should just slide out, which it is. Very careful. Now try to remember which one goes where. You got they're not gonna go in other way. They're different size, but just to be safe, you got the yellow, dark yellow on the left hand side, red, and it's a black. Then another black big one on there. So try to remove them one by one. Better should be done with a flathead, I think. The flathead, removing them all one by one. Alright, we have done removing it. Now we're going to go inside and I'll show you interior parts and what we have to do. Now, excuse me, we need to remove this back cover. Now it should just slide out. In order to remove it, do not try to push it from here. It's easier if you just slide it like that and get it out. So that's out. This is the bit that we have to actually solder. Now you see all these little bits here, we need to move them out, so be careful. Now it's coming off. Okay, now the soldering that we have to do is on opposite side of this one. So what we have to do is, you see all these clips here, we try to make it straight so you can go and open up from the other one, remove the display from the front. I can't find my nose pliers, so I'm using just the normal pliers to just get them straight in now, so I can get them out. So I got them out. Now this is the bit that you have to actually solder on. It looks okay, but there you go. I mean, you can't see it now, but I can see it from here. A few of them is actually losing contact, so it's broken, so I'm just going to re-shoulder them again. I'll get my shouldering iron out and I start doing them. Now here, all of them, since you got them out, just check whether they need cleaning, but having a quick look, they're just fine. I'll put them back in. Alright, I have re-shouldered them joints. I don't know how good I've done because I really had only this shoulder iron, which has got a very thick tip. So I tried my best. I've done it. I think I haven't touched anything else. So only thing I'm concerned is while I was shouldering, I might have hit it up too much. So could be like one of the tip could be gone. But hey, it wasn't working before. And one thing I've done is taken these gloves out, so while I was shouldering I got more space to play with as well. Now I'll put this light black in and I'm going to put everything back together and see whether it worked for us or not. Alright, we're back in here. We'll plug it in and see what happens. Please check first before you put it back all together whether it worked for you. Moment of truth. It's working. All the buttons and everything's working. Beautiful. That one as well. Excellent. I've done well. Now we're just gonna put everything back together. That's it. We're done. Well, I mean, I did it for the first time, so there were a few hiccups, but you know, now you have the video, and hopefully it was helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Feel free to subscribe, or like, and share the video. I'll catch you next time. Bye.